Alright guys, it's been a while since I posted. I'm going to make a video on how to rewire a relay to your fuel pump. This is an 89 s13 240SX hatch. It's seen better days. Okay, get to it. This is the wire that goes to the fuel pump. There's only two wires used out of this. I haven't figured those out yet, but this is just to get your fuel pump going. This is your negative. This is your power. If you want to see, negative is this wire. Goes into this pin right here. Your hot wire goes into this pin. There. So, we have hot, which is hot, is going to this side of the relay. Now, you have two fuel pump. This one here is two ground. This one is going to be my switched wire, that's why it's not hooked up. Believe me, I'm going to heat shrink and all this. I have solder, all that. I'm not very good at this, but I figured if I can make it easier for you guys. This is battery power. You can probably do them either way. This one can be battery power, this could be your switch. You just need 12 volts to one of these constantly, and 12 volts to the other one intermittently. So this will go to my switch, key switched on, and that'll allow it to run. Now, if you want to see it, this is how the relay looks. And it's hooked up that way. Pull this out here. Give me a second. Okay, now this is your plug. Okay, this is my switched. So we have switched ground. Yeah, switch power, ground, battery positive, this one, and then fuel pump, this one right here, right in front of my thumb. It's hard to do this one-handed. So that is fuel pump. This one would go to battery. This one is your switch, and this one here would go to ground. Simple enough. If you want to see it working, give me a second. I have a Walbro, so it's kind of loud. Should be easy to hear. There, it's working. And I have fuel everywhere because that clamp's not tight. I'm gonna put other clamps on. Again, project car. So there you are. I hope that this video helps you guys. Just making it easy for you, I guess. All right. Good luck.